If your iPad is not working, there are several possible reasons for this issue. A completely drained battery can prevent it from functioning, which may be due to not having charged it for a long time or a degraded battery capacity. Software problems, such as glitches or crashes, can also cause your iPad to be unresponsive, often resulting from corrupt system files, frozen apps, or operating system issues. Additionally, physical damage, including water damage or cracked screens, can disrupt the internal components and circuitry, making the device unresponsive. To address these issues, try charging your iPad using the original cable and power source, ensuring that the charger and cable are not faulty. If the problem is software related, a hard reset may resolve the issue. This can be done by pressing the power and home buttons simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. For physical damage, inspect your iPad for signs of cracks or moisture and seek assistance from a repair shop if necessary. If your iPad has been exposed to moisture, try drying it out by leaving it in uncooked rice or silica gel for a few hours. By trying these solutions, you may be able to identify and fix the problem with your iPad.